Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So through this video I will let to show to you the way how you can change the background of the picture become green color. Easy, super easy with Instagram application. First is you just need to make sure that your iOS system is already updated into the newest one, and after you update your system, go open your photos. The next is just finding the picture that you want to change the background. Let's say I would like to change the background for this picture. The next is just go tap into the top of the person's area, and there will be like glazing, like coming up into the picture or the object, and then you just need to type copy. The next, you just need to go back into your home screen, open your Instagram application, and then you just need to wait until it's perfectly open, and then swipe into the right side until you got the Instagram story camera here. Then you just need to capture the picture randomly and tap into the three small dots, click draw, click the green color, and then you just need to click and hold on the screen so that the green color could be filling all screens on your phone. The next, tap done, click the three small dots again, and then you just need to tap into the screen and tap into the cursors and go click paste. And now you just need to resizing it into the specific size that you want to get, and then you just need to tap into these three small dots and save. Now you're done. You already got the new picture with the new background in a green color. Hopefully you understand this video, and please don't forget to click the thumbs up button, and we will meet again into other video.